Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best char broil grill you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best char broil grill on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best char broil grill are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Char Broil 2-burner gas grill. The Char Broil Performance 300 is a 2-burner cabinet gas grill that delivers 24,000 BTUs of heat across the 300-inch 2 cooking surface. The cooking surface measures 15.9 inches wide by 18.5 inches deep, and features porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are rust-resistant, help prevent food from sticking and are easy to clean. On the inside, 2 stainless steel top-ported burners are durable and deliver strong cooking performance. Features an electronic ignition system for fast and reliable startups with the push of a button, and 2 metal side shelves for added workspace which can also fold down when not needed or for storing. Convenient storage cabinet with door to provides easy access to the propane tank while keeping it out of sight. The Performance 300 sits on 4 casters, 2 of which lock, offering easy mobility and the ability to keep it in place. Measures 42.9 inches wide by 24.5 inches deep by 44 inches high. Cabinet style offers convenient access to the storage area, keeps the propane tank out of sight. Sits on 4 casters, back 2 lock, for easy mobility. For details, let's watch more. Our second best char broil grill is Char Broil American Gourmet 3-burner gas grill. The American Gourmet Classic 360 is a 3-burner gas grill that delivers 30,000 BTUs of heat across the 360-inch 2 cooking surface, to accommodate large meals the whole family will enjoy. The cooking surface measures 26 inches wide by 14 inches deep, and features porcelain-coated grates, which help prevent food from sticking and are easy to clean. On the inside, 3 stainless steel inline burners are durable and deliver strong cooking performance. Primary cooking surface features porcelain-coated grates and measures 26 inches wide by 14 inches deep. Provides ample cooking space for about 15 burgers. Swing-away warming rack provides a secondary cooking area, ideal for sides or toasting buns. Warming rack measures 24 inches wide by 7 inches deep. Grill lid and firebox are constructed of porcelain-coated steel for increased durability, capable of standing up to tough weather. Stainless steel inline burners are durable for longer-lasting performance, and offer better high to low heat control versus pancake burners. Piezo ignition system provides fast and reliable burner startups with the push of a button. Number 3 in our list is Char Broil Grill 2 Go X200 Portable Gas Grill. The Char Broil X200 TRU Infrared Portable Gas Grill features durable die-cast aluminum construction, push-button ignition, lid-mounted temperature gauge and the TRU infrared cooking system for no flare-ups. It's designed to be sturdy and convenient, so you can set up your grill with you when you're tailgating, camping or on the beach. The special cooking grate at the core of TRU infrared technology spreads heat evenly across the grill top. And because it creates a barrier between food and flames, flare-ups are history. End result: juicier and more flavorful food every time. Char Broil TRU infrared cooking system allows the griller to cook their food evenly and with greater temperature control, using infrared technology. The infrared heat helps prevent hot and cold spots on the grill's cooking surface and facilitates faster cooking with the use of less gas. With the Char Broil TRU infrared cooking system, top-ported stainless steel burners can be easily adjusted to deliver high heat or very low temperatures evenly across the cooking grate. The Char Broil X200 portable gas grill features a cast aluminum firebox and lid with stainless steel latches to keep the grill secured when on the go. For details, let's watch more. Fourth recommendation in our side is Char Broil 4-burner gas grill. The Char Broil Performance stainless steel 4-burner gas grill delivers 36,000 BTUs of heat across the 425-inch 2 cooking surface, to accommodate large-sized meals the whole family will enjoy. The primary cooking surface measures 23 inches wide by 18.5 inches deep, and features porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are rust-resistant, help prevent food from sticking and are easy to clean. Measures 50.4 inches wide by 24.5 inches deep by 45 inches high. Primary cooking surface features rust-resistant porcelain-coated cast iron grates and measures 23 inches wide by 18.5 inches deep. Ample cooking space for about 20 burgers. 4 stainless steel top-ported burners are durable for longer-lasting performance, and offer a wide temperature range with precise control. Exclusively available from Amazon, this Performance 4-burner gas grill features stainless steel construction with a modern and sleek look that will be the envy of your neighborhood. Propane tank not included. Lidded side burner is ideal for preparing sauces or sides while grilling. When not in use, the lid folds down to protect the burner and offers incremental work or prep space. Electronic ignition system offers fast and reliable startups with the push of a button. 2 7-inch wheels to easily move the grill, while 2 fixed feet keep it in place. Removable grease tray and pan simplifies cleanup. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best Char Broil grill list is Char Broil 3-burner gas grill. The Char Broil Classic 360 is a 3-burner gas grill that delivers 30,000 BTUs of heat across the 360-inch 2 cooking surface, to accommodate large meals the whole family will enjoy. Includes an 8,000 BTU side burner, ideal for sauces and sides. The cooking surface measures 26 inches wide by 14 inches deep, and features porcelain-coated grates, which help prevent food from sticking and are easy to clean. On the inside, 3 stainless steel inline burners are durable and deliver strong cooking performance. Features a piezo ignition system for fast and reliable startups with the push of a button, and 2 metal side shelves for increased storage and prep space. The Classic 360 sits on 2 6-inch wheels for easy portability, and 2 fixed legs to keep it in place. Measures 51.2 inches wide by 24.1 inches deep by 43.5 inches high. Primary cooking surface features porcelain-coated grates and measures 26 inches wide by 14 inches deep. Provides ample cooking space for about 15 burgers. Stainless steel inline burners are durable for longer-lasting performance, and offer better high to low heat control. Grill lid and firebox are constructed of porcelain-coated steel for increased durability capable of standing up to tough weather. For details, let's watch more.